even hear his bike. We might ask him out. Wear your hand out on this road. I'm not riding the clutch. I just got it sitting up there for if I need it. Hey, you ride your ride, I'll ride mine. We can do it. But it's gonna be hell of a jump off. I hope I'm a pretty good tour guide. Man, I thank you, Lord. We'll go to the next one. He's gonna want some pictures, and I don't blame him. I bet he's thinking, that boy didn't even give me no pictures. I'll get you some pictures. I don't know what he's thinking. I shouldn't put words in his mouth. In the Tennessee yesterday, back in my mountains today, man. was. There you go. Told you it's a little bit of a jump to get off. If you had an ADV bike, you'd be in heaven down here. All the roads are rough, but it's worth it getting out here. Think about that river carved this whole thing out.
Little River Canyon.
Fort.
I don't know if it's picking it up on the GoPro or not, but this is a beautiful place, y'all.
If you look over there, you can see there's some square caves that are cut out over there.
Okay. How far back do they go?
I don't even know. I don't even know if anybody's ever been in them. The Cherokee people, which are native to this area, used to live in the caves. That's what their name means. The principal people, the people from the land of caves.
Down in there.
Yeah. The river's down, of course, because it's a drought. A friend of mine was kayaking on that thing, and his little kayak capsized, and he drowned in it.
Wow.
So there's another lookout from over there. Yep. But yeah, you can see them caves over there. Yep. That river, you just think about that. That river carved all this out.
I know it, right?
Man, look what God created out here. That jumped, snuck up on me there for a minute. I try to give you plenty of warning, but
oh, that's all right. I'll pay attention.
I'm glad you do. Hey, look there.
Look at that, y'all.
I don't know what that is. It might be a hawk. Could be a buzzard. You imagine waking up every morning and having that view?
I know, right?
Might be a buzzard. He might be thinking this.
Yeah.
Supper time. Hey, I'm gristly and I don't taste good. Uh-oh.
I want to thank Recycle Hooligan for taking me on a tour around Alabama today. It's been fun so far.
I took you through all kinds of places. Now you can tell your buddies that you ran in Valdosta, Georgia as an Amber Alert. Now you can tell all your friends that you got to ride with me. Yep. And you got to see the canyon. I heard somebody talking. Hey, look way up there, you see an airplane. Right there. We do have an airport down here.
Oh, okay.
A little small airport, but airport.
Little River Canyon.
Yeah. Little River Canyon in Fort Payne, Alabama. That first one that we passed up there, it's a little waterfall, but it ain't running this time of year, so I didn't stop.
Okay.
It's it only, like I said, it's just seasonal whenever there's plenty of water. The water's way down. Man, it's been a drought. Usually them rocks and that water's running hard. Like I said, people come down there and kayak down there all the time, and that water's on up, but it's really down. My viewers want to know too, since you're riding behind me, how loud is that motorcycle? Nobody's ever rode behind me to tell me.
Well, it's pretty long. That's when it goes to popping, pop, 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 pop.
I wonder some people think if I'm shooting at them.
I'll talk about it when we get back on the road.
Yeah, I always wondered. I mean, you come out here and have your little picnic, lunch, and all kind of stuff.
Yeah. I done told everybody I can't do this all in one video, so we're gonna have a series of videos today.
Yeah, me too. Somebody, is that? Hey, that ain't even tied down. Need a log chain?
Yeah. My tie the dog up. That dog pulled table away.
Yeah. The easiest way to get out of here, I found, is to shoot towards the grass. This, I'll try not to dump it. That's what I said. I've been threatening to put me some ADV tires on this thing. Bad as our roads are. It's gonna take me a couple videos as well. Let's see. Mr. Gregory. I really do appreciate this, man. Thank you, Lord. He ever get out? He got out. Can't leave a man behind. No one gets left behind. He said that this thing was loud, so y'all got y'all's answer. Rolling on my hooligan machine. Don't get too close, dude. Found a hole in the road. So yeah, we're in Little River Canyon riding with Ray Gregory Rides, and Ray Gregory's riding with me, and I'm happy as I can be. I'm happy as a hog in fresh mud. Could not be any more happier. Oh, that wasn't smooth. Not one bit. That'll work right here. That was not graceful.
I was telling everybody how loud that bike is.
Yeah, I've never had nobody tell me, so I'm gonna ask. Everybody always wants to know.
Well, they'll know now. It's pretty loud, so when he backs off, pop, 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 pop.
I can't even hear yours. Well, what would I be if I wasn't a hooligan and riding around on my hooligan machine? Tricia gave me that name. One of my best friends at the time.
Well, let's get all the rocks for the camera will pick it up.
That's where we was at a while ago. You can see all the different layers of the rocks and stuff. That's where we was standing at over a while ago.
Oh, okay.
Now we're over here.
Look like a bunch of motorcycles over there.
Yeah, could be. This is a man. I've seen dang-gum crotch rockets come through here dragging these, but I ain't doing it. I'm too old and too fat. I ain't doing. Hey, like I always tell them too. I've been there, done it, got the T-shirt. Don't need to prove nothing to nobody.
Hey, y'all can see the caves that's in the wall over there a little bit better from here, maybe.
Yeah. There's caves over there.
I might blow it up and edit it so y'all can see it if it'll do it.
Here it tells a little bit about it.
Well, I'm filming at 1080p.
Me too. 24 frames is what I got mine on. Here we are here, and this is the road we're on. This is where we're at right here. The river brings out the forest canopy, hiding much of the rocky cliffs. In the winter, it's what it looks like. In the fall, a lot of people come up here, you know, when the leaves start to change. It's real pretty when the leaves change.
Y'all want to pause it, blow it up, and look at it. You can.
Well, we made him move. I don't think he liked our company.
Around here is about 1,180 feet above.